Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Today I am going to take up the professional ethics class. This video is intended for ethics students, particularly on the conduct of the advocates. You all know advocacy, the law of advocacy, the practice of advocacy is a noble profession, but there are certain people who are misutilizing the same. And one such case, Tamil Nadu High Court, particularly Madurai bench, Justice Pogalindi was shocked to see a writ petition filed by an advocate. So the case is Raja Murugan versus the Superintendent of Police and others. What is the crux of the petition is, advocate seeks protection to his brothel, which is supplying sex services. Where are we? What is this petition? Is he an advocate? Come on, get his enrollment certificate. Check up his credentials. That means check up as to where he studied and other things. ఇవన్నీ జస్టిస్ పొగళేంది గారు కామెంట్స్లో రాశారు, జడ్జిమెంట్లో కూడా. రైట్. సో Madras High Court expressed anguish, astonishment and shock upon knowing that the plaintiff, being an advocate, మిగతా వాళ్ళైతే పెద్ద పట్టించుకోరు, being an advocate, requesting protection for his brothel, to operate the brothel in Nagarkoil of Kanyakumari district. దీని జెనిసిస్కి వెళ్తే, actually this man, this advocate is the founder of Friends Forever Trust. The name of the trust is Friends Forever. So what they do, they promote adult recreation. They promote recreational activities, friendly activities, and soliciting persons, and they facilitate the oil baths and sex related service, maybe for the LGBT also. Right? So they provide these services to their members and customers. But will the police keep quiet? No. The police officers on 17/2/2024, February 17th, they conducted a raid on the so-called Friends Forever Trust. Maybe after 1 week or 15 days of its functioning, arrested the so-called advocate Raja and booked a case in crime number 15/2024 under different provisions of law. That is under section 3, that is running brothel. 3 of simply section 3, 4 and other things they have written, but 3 of the ITAct. Then section 342 IPC, that is wrongful confinement. That means he brought some woman from some other places and confined them. 342 IPC. And section 5 of Pocso Act, aggravated sexual penetrative act. So Pocso Act, Immoral Traffic Act, and Indian Penal Code. They booked him. He was arrested on 17th. Of course, he was released on bail on 25th February 2024, and later he filed this writ petition claiming that he is an advocate, requesting protection from the police raids, and actually request protection for his services, so-called useless services. Now Pogalindi said, court is shocked that an advocate in robes, that too in dress, can claim of running brothel directly. So I think he is not fit to be an advocate. His enrollment certificate has to be verified. Actually conduct an inquiry as to where he studied. I am doubtful whether he is a regular law student or not. So once again, he has advised the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry also. Please remember that already the profession of the so-called legal professional advocate, it is being degraded, but you have to check up the persons coming from the law colleges before enrollment. Inko point. He has misrepresented the Supreme Court judgment, that is Buddhadev Karma Sarkar versus State of West Bengal 2010, where no doubt the women should be treated as victims and there should be no harassment to them. But it is nothing but misinterpretation of the Act. Please remember, the ITAct and the SC judgment, they are misinterpreted by the so-called advocate. The Tamil Nadu government, in order to prevent the exploitation of women, in order to prevent the trafficking of women, they enforce the so-called Immoral Traffic Act or Pocso Act. That is the purpose. But this man wanted to misrepresent the same. Right? So therefore, the Act definitely prohibits running brothel. Brothel means it's a place where promiscuous sexual intercourse is being carried on for gain. So that is the meaning of a brothel. And as an advocate, doesn't he feel ashamed to represent that? I don't know how he has maintained it, but anyway, it is a perverse attitude on the part of an advocate. So ethics, please remember, it is a noble profession. Don't degrade that profession. As stated by Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer in the case of M.E. Dabholkar. Right? With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.